Hey, are you ready to remove your popcorn ceilings? Stick around because I've got a whole video series for you, specifically for you. Yes, I already have the air conditioner pumping away. It's the next day and I'm getting ready to remove this popcorn ceiling. I've learned a lot on the first go around in the bedroom. That the light's not very good in here, but there's a popcorn ceiling up there, and also in this little front entrance here. Okay, I just got done in the bedroom and I removed all the popcorn ceiling and then I painted it. Doesn't it look good? Oh, there was a lot more to it than that, let me tell you. I've learned quite a few different things, so I'm going to put all of that knowledge to the test in this area here. You want to learn how to remove popcorn ceilings the proper, efficient way? Stick around. Before you get all gung-ho thinking you're going to just start scraping the ceilings down, you've got to do a little thought process, and it's all about the prep work, baby. Yes. Don't get too overwhelmed with your project. One thing at a time, okay? Step by step, you can do it. Now this one chair, see, I got to move some of this stuff in this room, but some of it is going to stay. Now I got a 8-foot ladder I borrowed because I got to get up 14 feet up, okay, and work. So have the right type of tools, ladders, and all that kind of stuff. And see this couch here? I'm going to leave it in this room. But see, it's too wide up against the wall to just leave it there, because then I won't be able to reach the ceiling up above. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to slide it out to the middle of the room. This chair here, I'm going to try to squeeze into the bedroom. And I'm not sure if I can do it, but I'm hoping I can squeeze it through this door somehow. Turn it on edge and kind of pooch it over to the right and kind of swivel it and twist it around that door and get it in there. If not, maybe I can stack it on top of the couch or something. I've got to remove this ceiling fan too. Yes, don't think you can just move and work around ceiling fans. It's way better to get it out of the way. You can use some other type of light. I don't want to bag that off. It's just way easier because we're going to have to do some sheetrock work up there. We're going to have to prime, paint, do some touch-up work and all that kind of stuff, you know. So that's coming down. That picture over there, we can leave that. That thing's going to come down over there in the corner. This nice fan thing, I can leave that right there. And see that little cabinet there where the TV is? I can swivel that around and kind of put it where these two chairs are. And then I can work right over the top of that. This thing in the corner, I can leave there. You know, I can move the, I'll move the lamp. But that other little thing, I can leave that there in the corner. And I can leave this little thing here. Right there. Okay? This stuff here, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I might even leave that stuff right there in the corner. We'll see. These chairs I'm going to take out of here, and this carpet, you know, this big piece of carpet, yes, I'll take that and stick it in the other room. The mirror, I can leave that up on the wall. You see what I mean? Because I'm going to put plastic up. I'm going to put plastic from the ceiling on down and drape it down over here on the floor. Okay? I guess I better get busy. Here's a tip for you. Hey, if you got hardwood floors, you might want to get a big piece of carpet. Now this was a big huge mat and it fit underneath the bed. And I took the bed out and I notched it around that cabinet and I pushed it back, the carpet all the way to the back, because I don't know if you remember before, this piece of carpet, it actually came way out here, and they didn't want that, because then as you walk in the door, see, now that you walk in the door, you can just walk in on the hardwood floor and you've got just a little bit in front of the bed and down on the side of the bed. And this is just how it came, and we made it work, okay? I notched it around those cabinets back there and notched it and pushed it all the way back to the wall, and then I cut that whole end off to make it line up right here, okay? I think that worked out pretty good. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Hey, I was able to move almost all the stuff in this room. So I got this TV, I just pushed it over like that, and I gave it plenty of room over here so that I could set up a ladder, you know, down there to get up here. Okay, where did I put all this stuff? Look at this. I fit it all in this bedroom. You know, stack it in strategically, and I've got all the stuff there. I even got that chair in there and all kinds of stuff in there. Stacked everything up there nice and compact. Yeah, now see, before I take that ceiling fan down, once I turn the power off to that, the air conditioner is going to go off. Plus, I'm not going to need the air conditioner anymore because I'm going to have this all plasticed off. Yes, you can do it too. Now see this front area? I ended up putting some craft paper down there because once I put plastic up here, after I get done taking the popcorn ceiling down, and I'll seal the ceiling with that Kills primer, then I'm probably going to take this plastic down, because then I need access to the bedroom, to the bathroom, over there, to the front door, to the kitchen. And so I'm just going to leave this craft paper down here, and then when I paint, any drips that I get will go right down on this. That craft paper comes in handy, let me tell you. Okay, so now I'm going to put the plastic up there, and this time I'm going to use the 2-inch tape, and I'm going to hold it down about an inch or 3/4 of an inch or so. That way I've got enough room after I take down most of the popcorn ceiling. Then I can concentrate on going around the edges without moving the plastic and the masking tape and all that like I did before. Okay, step by step, you can do it. See, now I have this couch just plasticed off, and before I start, you know, obviously I have to get this ceiling fan down. Okay, but I just move this away from the wall. That way I can tape and put the plastic up and start pulling the plastic down a little bit. Then I'll push this out of the way before I get the plastic down on the floor. I'll get up there at the last and take that ceiling fan down. Then I'll push this right back into the center of the room. That way I can reach my ladder around the corners, on the edges, and reach over it. And I should be able to get everything, okay? Work strategically, work smart. Okay, see how I got that tape? Light's not very good in here. Probably should get my construction light out, huh? I've got 2-inch tape up there, and then I just put that about an inch down, and then I folded up half of it. Just eyeball half of it, okay? Just like that. And then I measured this entire little front area, and I came up with about 25 feet. And I pulled my plastic out, and you know, I got a wingspan. Just take your tape measure out, and I got comfortably 5 feet. So when I pulled the plastic out, I just measured 5 and then pulled it out. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. Just chopped it off. Okay, and I'm using 9-foot plastic. And don't unravel all of it. What I did is I found the edge, okay? And then I just found one edge I'm not going to undo all of it. And then I went like that, you know, and got just this much going. Okay, just leave the rest. Don't undo all of it yet. Okay. And because I'm at the door opening to the bedroom and the bathroom, I figured I might as well just start right here. I'm just going to have you follow this. It's pretty easy to put this plastic up. Now I'm going to wrap this around so I can get in through the bedroom and the bathroom. So I'm going to wrap this over, you know, just a foot or so. Okay, now as I put it up there, I'm just going to kind of roll it just a little bit so I've got a gathering of plastic. I don't want just the thin little bit. Okay, I'm going to lift up on it, and so I've got a few folds of it, right? Put it underneath there and then push down on this and just start over here to the right. Okay, now I'm going to bunch up a little bit more, lift this up, get that in there, and I'm just going to keep going. Okay, bunch it up, get it right there in the corner. Okay, and you're just going to keep working around the room. Let's just have you watch this a little bit more. Yeah, you like that light there, don't you? Let's turn that off. Does that give you enough light on what I'm doing? Let's just see what happens. So I'm just going to kind of gather it, roll it up a little bit. That way I've got quite a bit under there. Push that down. Don't push it all the way down to here because I've got to gather some more. Get right in the corner. You don't want to stretch too much in the corner or else it's not going to go around the corner nice. Get it pushed right into the corner. Twist this a little bit, push it up in there, and fold that down. Okay? There. I'm liking this. Let's try the light. I know you probably got it figured out. You can do it now.